Hi and welcome to a Spectrum Protect Plus how-to video. My name is Seb Barfield. I am a technical engineer at Silverstring, and today we're going to go through adding a hypervisor to your Spectrum Protect Plus installation. So once you've set up Spectrum Protect Plus, then you will need to add in either a virtual machine estate, or you might be using it for SQL Exchange. But primarily we're going to look in this video is how to set up a hypervisor, so virtual VMware specifically, and add it into your hypervisor section so you can populate those VMs and add them to backup policies and add them into your estate to get them backed up and protected. So on the left-hand side, we're going to look at the Manage Protection window. So opening that, we'll then open hypervisors and we'll click VMware. Minimizing that, we'll then click into VMware. You'll be presented with a screen. So we can already see we've got a vCenter here already. But what we're going to do is click Manage vCenter. Then we're going to go to Add vCenter to the right-hand side. And within here, you select vCenter Properties. And you can see that you need to enter in your hostname or IP address. So this could be the FQDN, or it could be the IP address of your vCenter. You can either use an existing user, so you might have the same user across multiple virtual VMware estates, and it might be a case that you've got the same login information. So what we're going to do is add a username and password in here, so use the domain and user here, and then password, and give it a port. So you may have it set up on a different port. Another thing to make note of is maximum number of VMs to process concurrently per EXX server. So depending on your state, you may need to set this higher. You might have a large environment that can handle multiple processes happening at once. You might have multiple vSnaps as well, and proxies that can manage the backups. So you can set this. So we're just going to leave this on default at 3. Once you've inputted that information, you'll then see here, like we've got with our previous one, is we've got the host name in here. We've got a select user, so we've got our administrator that we've added in here at vSphere.local. So you can use the admin one. You could also use a specifically created user for Spectrum Protect Plus here. And then also you can see that we've set it to 3. Once you've done that, on the right-hand side, you've got actions, and then you'll click inventory. So when you click inventory, it will then go and log in essentially into your vCenter, and it will start inventorying those virtual machines that it can find there, and then it will populate a list down below. So here we're going to click into our virtual machine estate. We're going to click and we're going to look at our discovered virtual machines here. And then from here, we can see all the different virtual machines that we've got available in our estate. And you can see that it picks up the guest operating system. So we've got Windows 2012, 2016, Windows 10, different versions of OS that it does support. And then you can also see that in other videos that are available in the how-to section on our Predator YouTube page is how to add an SLA policy to those individual virtual machines. Again, you might have different folders in different areas. So primarily we've got this Silverstring DR situation or folder. You might have multiple folders in your vCenter estate where you can click into them and you can see all the different VMs that are available to you. You can also do it by not in SLA. You can also look at different SLAs that we do have available in this list here. You can also see the last inventory. So you can see that when I clicked off that inventory, then it then pushed that off. So that is how to add a vCenter into Spectrum Protect Plus and how to populate your virtual machine estate. Again, this is very similar for the Hyper-V situation where you also have a login and you need the host name of the server. So quickly to show you that, is go to Hyper-V. Again, click on Manage Hyper-V Server, click Add Hyper-V Server, and it's exactly the same information here. So that is on how to add a hypervisor in your Spectrum Protect Plus estate. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check out other how-to videos that are available on the Predator page, and thank you for watching.